Today we have the 2019 Skoda Octavia. This vehicle has done just over 73,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, as well as voice control. On the right we have assist and automatic headlights. On our screen we can access navigation, media, smartphone integration and voice control. On the right we have navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay, our vehicle settings and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with Park Pilot. Just below our screen is our dual zone climate control. And if we press our mode button, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes. As we go into the back of the vehicle, you can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.